Imagine launching a brand without spending a single naira on designers, editors, or marketers. Imagine crafting ads, logos, taglines, full campaigns in minutes, all from your phone. Today, I'm about to show you something that feels illegal to even exist. A tool so simple that anyone can build a professional brand from scratch, even if you've never designed anything before. If you're a creator, a small business owner, or just someone who wants their ideas to look premium, this might be the smartest thing you try this year. Let's dive in.
Wait, just wait. I really want to show the possibilities of what you would be able to create by the end of this video. You could create stunning ads like this.
Journey begins with a single step, engineered for those who dare to go further. Lightweight, responsive, built for your limits. Breathable materials, enhanced cushioning, unstoppable momentum. Your determination meets our innovation. Nike. Run beyond limits. Just do it.
Or this.
In a world of noise, your story deserves to be heard.
I've built empires, but my greatest legacy is my story.
With professional guidance, your story becomes a masterpiece. Reconnect with yourself in a sanctuary of peace.
These stories shaped me. Now they will inspire others.
Immortalize your journey in a book crafted just for you. See your life story come alive.
All from your smartphone with a completely free tool. And you see, I'll strongly advise that you watch this video to the very end. All right, let's dive in once again, and this time we are for real.
So before you record anything like this, the first step is to get a prompt, and that's what you're seeing me do on the screen. I do that to ChatGPT and get a prompt. You could easily write a prompt from your head, but I like my prompt to be a bit structured. So I want a Coca-Cola ad, and I'm writing, I want to create an ad for Coca-Cola. Give me a detailed prompt. So once it generates, we'll see what we have there. And then it gives us a prompt. We copy it. We don't really waste time here. We copy it, and then we keep it in our clipboard, and that's what you see me do on the screen. And then the next step is to download the tool we use. We go to our browser and search for Pipit, P-I-P-P-I-T, Pipit. That's the name of the free tool that is responsible for creating ads for different companies. So once it loads, we have it here, and then see what we'll do. We'll click those three dots at the top of our browser. That's to install the free version, and then we click on add to home screen. We scroll down just below desktop site, we click on add to home screen, like you're seeing the arrow point there, and then we click on install. Not create shortcuts, install. To install it, and we'll be able to run it on our devices without going to the browser every time. Note, this Pipit has two versions, the desktop site and the mobile version. The desktop site is not free. Desktop site is not free, the mobile version is free. So if you're using a desktop, you will want to switch when you want to do this step. Then I click on, you see we have many things here. We have video agents, talking photo, AI avatar. So if you want to do a talking photo that advertises your product, you know what to do there. AI avatar, same thing. Then what we are using is video agent. Select it, and then you can add links, media docs to create more precise results. So you paste in our prompts there that we got from ChatGPT, copy it and place it from our clipboard, and then we have these options come up. We have 9:16 smart match for avatar, um language, English, and video length, anyone. So when I do ads, I know it's either for TikTok or Instagram, so I leave it with 9:16. Then avatar, I don't really like to use avatar in my videos, so I don't use avatar or smart match. Smart match means that there are some places that it's just put someone that will just be advertising a product. Then length 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 to 60 seconds. I stick with 45 to 60 seconds. Note, if you do any length, you can do up to 1 minute. So I click on confirm and hit generate. This tool is responsible for a lot of viral ads that you see people do. UGC ads is responsible for it. So we see our generation generating 4% now. We see our generation. Here's the results.
Taste the feeling.
Wow, people did justice to that ad. So I'm not tired, so let's create another ad. Create an ad for Nike. I'm just writing this prompt from my head. I'm not using ChatGPT. Let's see how people to be able to analyze it. It shouldn't take a few minutes. Just grab a coffee and let's see the results.
Alarm or action? Today, choose action. Performance that keeps up, style that stands out, lightweight comfort, locked-in support, breathable innovation. Run, hoop, train. Whatever your sport, we got you. Nike. Just do it. Tap to shop now.
That was a really nice ad by PP. So to download, you hit the 3 dots by below the video and click on download. You can also hit export, it's the same thing. So download it, just be saved directly into your device. It doesn't really take time. Normally these files are up to like 30 megabytes. PP handles it and downloads it fast. So the next step I'm about to show you is very important. If you have a longer prompt or ad like the one I'm about to show you right now on my screen, as long as this, people won't be able to take it because it only accepts 1000 characters or so, something like that. So see what we'll do. We'll copy that. Let's try it and see. You have reached the limit of 1000 characters. People don't accept it. So we'll copy it and take it to a blank Microsoft document on our device and paste it there. You can also add images to the word if your ad needs specific images. Yeah, people to be able to handle it. Then you go ahead and save the word document to your device, like you're seeing me do on the screen. So once it's saved, so what we'll do, we'll head over back to Pipit. With this method, you can create as much videos as you want. We click the plus button, you see we can add a reference video, media, document, or link to create an ad. So for example, you need a link, you just have a product link, you want to use that link to create an ad, people to be able to analyze and create an ad for free for you. How awesome is that? So we click on Word, on Documents, tick sort here, and we add our document which contains everything we need. That one, this way we can create ads of more than 15,000 words, and then we'll write what you're seeing me right on the screen using the document attached. Yes, then we write to that and hit generate. It analyzes the prompt and opens the document, analyzes everything in the document, and then let's see the results. It was actually an ad for Yeah, let's see the results.
In a world powered by AI, knowledge is the new gold. But most people don't know how to use it yet. What if you could make money with AI starting today? I'll show you how to harness AI, create, earn, and stand out in a digital world that never sleeps. Watch beginners become creators, creators become mentors. Turn creativity into income with videos, art, voices, and music. Enrollment is N5,000 only. Limited slots available. It's your first step into the future. AI is changing the world. Don't watch from the sidelines. Be part of it.
I really loved that ad, but I did not like the music. So head over to download it and let's go to the next step, showing you how to change the music if you don't like it. Let's go. So once it's downloaded, we head over to our home screen and then open CapCut. This is crucial for the next step, how to change the music. Open CapCut. You import the video into CapCut and then yes, follow what you see on my screen. This step is very important. So on the down tab, we scroll till we highlight the video first and then scroll till we find what you see called isolate voice. You click on isolate voice right there. It's highlighted on the screen. Yes. You click it and click on keep voice. This will help you separate the vocal from the music there and delete the music totally. So once it's done, we edit finally and speed up some things we don't like, change our desired song. Maybe there's a music that you like, and here's the final results.
In a world powered by AI, knowledge is the new gold. But most people don't know how to use it yet. What if you could make money with AI starting today? I'll show you how to harness AI, create, earn, and stand out in a digital world that never sleeps. Watch beginners become creators, creators become mentors. Turn creativity into income with videos, art, voices, and music. Enrollment is N5,000 only. Limited slots available. It's your first step into the future. AI is changing the world. Don't watch from the sidelines. Be part of it.
I mean, the music gave it a whole new vibe compared to what people gave us. And with this method, you can change music if you don't like it at all. So, next step, if you want to remove watermark from any of your videos, watch some YouTube videos on how to remove watermark or download the app highlighted on my screen. If this video helped you, do also like, share, and subscribe, and let's hand it over to my avatar to do the
And
rest.
that's it for today's breakdown. And I am very sure that Sammy has done justice to it. If this video helped you, then please hit that like button. It's very important. It tells YouTube that this content is valuable, and it pushes the video to more people who need it. Drop a comment if you want me to test more AI tools, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.